Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll build our AR greeting card application and we'll run it inside an Android smartphone or an iPhone. Okay, so for building this app, I'll click on File, I'll then click on Build Settings. Next, I'll click on Add Open Scenes to add the greeting card scene which is open inside the scene panel. Okay. After this, as you can see, the Unity logo is on the Android platform, which means that I'll be building this AR greeting card app and I'll be running it inside my Android smartphone. Okay, if you're building this app for an iPhone or for an iPad, then you have to select the iOS platform and after this you have to click on Switch platform. Now the procedure for building augmented reality apps for the iPhone or for the iPad is explained in the AR1 section. Okay. So if you're going to build the AR greeting card application for your iPhone, then you can refer the AR1 section. Okay. After this, I'll click on Player Settings. Inside Player Settings, I'll change the company name. So in place of company name, I'll put my website name, that is Engineer's Dream. If you do not have a website or if you do not have a company, then you can just put your own name over here. Next, we have the product name which is set to AR greeting card. Okay, so I'll leave the product name to AR greeting card itself. After this, I'll scroll down and I'll go inside other settings. Okay, and inside other settings I'll change the package name. So the package name currently reads com.company.product name. So in place of company, I'll put my website name, that is Engineer's Dream, and in place of product name I'll put my application name, that is AR greeting card. I'll leave the version to 1.0. I'll leave the bundle version code to 1. Next, I'll change the minimum API level to Marshmallow as I have a phone which runs on Marshmallow. Next, I'll leave the target API level to automatic hash selected. Okay, after this I'll scroll down and I'll check the XR settings. So as you can see in the XR settings, Vuforia augmented reality support option is checked. Okay. So after making changes inside the player settings, next I'll click on the build button and I'll give this app a name of AR greeting card. Okay, after this I'll hit save. So guys, the APK file of my AR greeting card application is created. So next I'll copy this APK file inside my Android smartphone and let's check the final output.